Buds TV. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Mini Buds TV. We're so happy you're here. Let'll count them together. Ready?
3 pumpkins.
4
pumpkins. 5 pumpkins.
High five, everyone!
Here they come. Pumpkin number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. T-E-N.
Let's spin in a circle to celebrate.
S-P-I-N.
Let's pretend to be pumpkins growing.
Start tiny.
Grow, grow, grow.
And P-O-P. Stand tall like a pumpkin.
Great job!